Stop guessing where your money goes and start telling it where to stay. Most Americans live paycheck to paycheck, regardless of how much they earn. Meet Jake. He makes $5,000 a month but has zero in his savings. He's not buying Lamborghinis, but he's still broke by the 20th. Jake is a victim of death by 1,000 subscriptions. Then, he discovers the 50/30/20 rule. It's a simple system to divide your after-tax income into 3 buckets. Bucket number 1, 50% for your needs. This covers your rent, groceries, utilities, and basic transport. If your needs cost more than 50%, you're living too large for your income. Bucket number 2, 30% for your wants. This is the fun stuff, dining out, hobbies, and that Netflix plan. Most people flip this and spend 50% on wants, leaving nothing for the future. Bucket number 3, the most important 20% for savings and debt. This is your emergency fund, your 401k, and your path to freedom. Jake realizes his wants were actually eating his needs. He starts by tracking every single dollar for 30 days. He cuts back on the premium cable and the daily takeout. Suddenly, that 20% bucket starts to fill up for the first time. The rule gives him permission to spend 30% without feeling guilty. Because he knows his future is already taken care of. This isn't about restriction, it's about intentionality. When you automate the 20%, you stop worrying about the rest. Jake feels the money anxiety leaving his body. He's no longer guessing if he can afford that weekend trip. In the US, the 50/30/20 rule is the gold standard for financial peace. It works whether you make $30,000 or $300,000 a year. It's about the percentages, not the total amount. Jake finally feels like the boss of his bank account. He is no longer a slave to his paycheck. If you're in deep debt, you might need a 50/20/30 split instead. Adjust the buckets to fit your current reality, but keep the system. The goal is to make saving as automatic as breathing. Most people wait until the end of the month to save what's left. But the rich pay themselves first. By following this rule, Jake is building a legacy, not just a lifestyle. He can handle a flat tire or a medical bill without panic. Financial peace of mind is the ultimate luxury. Don't let your money control you, you control the money. Start today. Divide your next paycheck into these 3 buckets. Your future self will look back and thank you for this moment. Freedom isn't a dream, it's a math equation. Break the cycle of being broke and start the journey to wealthy. The 50/30/20 rule is your roadmap. Now, start driving. Ready to master your mindset? Please subscribe.